A mechanic's lien is a legal claim you can place against a property when you haven't been paid for work you performed. It's the single most powerful tool any contractor has to collect payment. Here's how the process works. Step by step. Step 1. You start a job. From day 1, the clock starts on your lien rights. In Tennessee, you have 90 days from first furnishing. In Georgia, just 30 days from contract start. LienShield calculates every deadline for your state the moment you enter a project. Step 2. Send preliminary notice. Most states require you to notify the property owner that you're on their job and you have lien rights. This isn't hostile. It's standard practice. LienShield auto-generates a state-compliant notice with all your project details pre-filled. Step 3. A payment issue arises. 30, 60, 90 days, and no check. Don't panic. You have legal rights. LienShield generates a professional demand letter that often resolves the issue. About 40% of disputes end right here. Step 4. Send notice of intent. If the demand letter doesn't work, this formal warning tells the owner a lien is coming. It's extremely effective. LienShield generates your notice of intent and walks you through exactly where and how to send it. Step 5. File the mechanic's lien. This is your strongest legal protection. A lien encumbers the property. No sale, no refinance, until it's resolved. In Tennessee, you file at the Register of Deeds. In Georgia, the Clerk of Superior Court. LienShield handles the compliance checks, tells you the filing fee, and gives you step-by-step instructions. Step 6. Get paid and release. Once payment arrives, you release the lien and clear the property title. LienShield generates the release document and tracks the full life cycle from start to finish. Let me show you how fast this works. Enter your project, property, owner, your role, the work, and dates. One click, protect my payment. LienShield creates the project, calculates Tennessee deadlines, and auto-generates your first legal document, all in one step. Your Action Center shows everything. Amount owed, next deadline. The exact document you need to send, where to file, how to mail it. 5 clear steps, no legal knowledge required. The deadline calculator works for any state, free for everyone. Pick Tennessee, enter your first work date, and every deadline appears. Preliminary notice, mechanic's lien. Enforcement, no spreadsheets, no missed dates. LienShield, every deadline tracked, every document generated. 56 jurisdictions built in. Protect your payments. LienShield.app.